Is Kalshi legal in all 50 states? Here's the clear answer. Yes, Kalshi is federally regulated in the United States and is generally available to users in most U.S. states. It operates under oversight from the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, also known as the cftc. Because it is federally regulated, Kalshi is not treated the same way as traditional sports betting platforms that depend on individual state gambling laws. That means in states like California, New York, Colorado, and Florida, Kalshi is typically legal to use. However, there are exceptions and restrictions. First, you must be physically located in the United States to trade. Second, some states may have specific limitations or temporary restrictions, so availability can change. Third, you must be 18 years or older to use the platform. The safest way to confirm is to check Kalshi's official website or attempt to create an account. If your state is restricted, the platform will notify you during sign-up. Bottom line, Kalshi is federally regulated and broadly legal across most U.S. states. But always verify availability in your specific location before depositing money.